What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Got some steak burritos going on tonight. Probably won't use all the steak, but I'll use it over the next couple days on something. They're resting right now. I did 3 minutes aside. Yeah, they should be pretty medium on the inside, you know. Did that pico too. Yeah. Got some black beans. Yeah. Got the sour cream. Yeah. And of course some cotija. Motherfucker. Woo! Not bad at all. Look at that shit. Motherfuckers. Friggin' delicious. So I dusted these steaks with cumin, salt, pepper, and some garlic salt earlier. And then I put it back in the fridge for at least 3, maybe 4 hours to marinate. Yeah, here's gonna be motherfucking chronic, guys. Chronic. Just watch. Just wait. And of course, can't have a burrito without the big tortilla, right? So we got the good shit. The authentic. Doesn't even have a zipper on the fucking pouch. Yeah, authentic, motherfuckers. I've got other burrito building videos, but we're just gonna do this again. I put sour cream on there so far. Put your black beans down. Then of course the steak. And then your pico. Look at how getting there. Then your cheese. Use whatever you want, you guys. Cotija is just awesome. I'm just letting you know. And I had some green onions around here too. Put those on. And a few drops of this. Like so. And there you go, you guys. I put in the frying pan for a minute as well. On the other side of what you're looking at here. Just kind of seal it up a little bit. Pink plate, yeah. Alright. Done deal, you guys. So get busy in the kitchen. This probably cost me, I don't know, $2. I'll do another one, so $4 for some burritos. When the taco truck down the street is charging like $9 for one burrito. So you do the math, you guys. You want to save some money? Make your food at home. It's so easy and so delicious. Alright, end of video. Please like and subscribe. And have a great weekend. Or whenever you're watching this, good weekday, whatever. Please like and subscribe and click the link to one of these next videos on the screen. And I will see you next time. Alright guys, peace out.